Bienvenue à l'établissement scolaire San Rafael de Barcelone.
Welcome to St. Gabriel's School in Barcelona.
We are in the Besòs neighborhood, in the outskirts of the city.
In our school we can study nursery school from 3 to 6 years old. Primary school from 6 to 12. Secondary school from 12 to 16 years old. We are around 700 pupils and we all live in this neighborhood near the school.
Working at this school, there are 46 teachers and 10 people from services and administration. Parents and grandparents collaborate in the school as volunteers.
We can serve, perform, help the maintenance of the school.
From the Parents Teachers Associations, ABBA, and the ex-students associations, ADEXA, we try to help a lot.
If we want, we can have lunch at the school canteen.
We can also attend to some out-of-school activities: football, basket, skating, karate, guitar, English.
Our school was opened in 1970. There were only 52 boys there.
Girls can also study since the school year 85 and 86. We are now the 50% of the pupils.
During the school year 97-98, this new building was opened.
In April 2010, in agreement with the 40th anniversary of the school, we opened the new indoor school and the kitchen garden.
Apart from classes, we can take part in different activities at the school: theater, trips, holiday camps, etc.
Last April, the students who study French met other students from St. Laurent subset.
We had fun, and we'd like to write to other English-speaking students in St. Gabriel schools.
For us, it's very important the welcome, the devotion for the needy and the search for a just and fraternal world, in accordance with the proper character of Gabrielite establishments in Spain.
We are developing different projects to support the relationship between the school and family. FEAC, Família Escola Acció Compartida.
To reinforce our students' skills in English, the multilingual school.
To develop a culture that respects and cares for the community of life. Escola Verdad.
To solve the problems in a pacific way, la mediació.
To introduce the information and communication technologies.
Last month, we obtained the certificate of quality.
Last April, the 28th, we celebrate the day of our founder, Saint Louis Maria of Montfort. We finish the day with a prayer offering.
Now, we are celebrating a charity campaign to help the needy.
We invite you to celebrate with us the Families Day, which is the next Sunday, April the 15th. We hope you will come.
Nous vous invitons le prochain dimanche 15 mai à la fête des familles et on vous attend.